Do you ever feel like you're the only one that didn't get the download on financial success? I'm Bob Wheeler, a CPA and a core energetics radical aliveness practitioner. Over the past 15 years, I noticed that my tax appointments turned into therapy sessions. These people that I was getting paid to give them great advice were doing exactly the opposite of what I told them to do. And I got really curious. And what I discovered is that people who seemed like they were financially successful and seemed to have it all together actually had a lot of issues around shame, self-worth, fear of success, fear of abundance, fear of relationships when it comes to money. And I realized that I had to get to the bottom of that before I could get them to actually start making decisions that would actually serve them. Let me ask you a question. What is your relationship with money right now?
At the moment, I do have periods where I think I haven't made the wisest choices around money. I'm not 100% sure that I've always got enough to get me through to the end of the month, and also blocking my own success. I feel that I tend to do that a lot.
What would you like your relationship with money to be like?
I have to say I haven't made the wisest choices in relation to money in the past. So I tend to find sometimes that I'm a little bit scared in spending money on certain things, because I think that I could be spending it on something else that's more important rather than something that I'd enjoy. So yeah, sometimes I block my own success and my own ability to trust that money will come into my life.
Do you find it difficult having conversations with your spouse or partner about money? Are you able to set boundaries with your children and tell them you're not willing to pay for their rent or their cell phone now that they're 30? Do you think money will be the key to solving all of your problems? That money will bring you happiness? We make financial decisions every day, every minute. Do I buy my lunch? Do I make my lunch? Do I use a credit card? Do I borrow some money from a friend? Do I spend beyond my means? Do I deserve it? Should I have it now? Am I willing to wait? So many questions every day that involve making financial choices. Don't be a victim. Learn how to take control and stand in your leadership when it comes to money and your relationship with it. We realize the importance of creating a safe and confidential space for you to heal your relationship with money. Are you willing to get curious and uncomfortable around your self-sabotage and your money blocks? Join us on February 11th, February 18th, and March 4th for some powerful experiential workshops around money. Don't let what you don't know about your relationship with money get in the way of getting what you want.